Hi, I'm Denise Gierach of the Gierach Law Firm. I'm making this video to tell you about some real-life circumstances that happen where estate planning can go bad, or you didn't do it right the first time. One issue that I find is that people with, say, 3 kids, they want to name them as co-executors, co-trustees, or co-agents on the power of attorney. So why do they do this? Well, one reason is they don't want to offend any of their kids by selecting one over the other. Another reason is they don't want to face the children to tell them that you think that one of them is not capable. And so another is you can't decide what order to put them in. So if you put them one at a time in the order named, you can't decide that. Another is that you think that and assume that the kids will all get along. They'll work it out with each other. Believe me, if they've had sibling rivalry, they won't. So an example of what can go wrong happened in an estate that I handled. It involved 3 kids, all named by the probate court as co-executors. It involved a number of family farms. And the kids never got along to begin with, but Mom always thought that they would. So instead, this thing should have taken maybe a year and a half, and it ended up taking 4.5 years to settle. They hated each other. So the problem was they all didn't get along with each other. They hated each other. And a couple of them didn't get along with their parents. They all had different agendas. And they were all anxious to get their inheritance. They didn't really care about what Mom and Dad really wanted. Another thing is they had spouses in that cases or significant others that were telling them what to do. So that was getting in the way of good decisions. So what's the solution to this issue? Well, as hard as it is, you have to pick the child who will follow your wishes and follow your words in your estate planning documents. And if any child is not capable and can't do the job or can't get along with other beneficiaries, don't appoint them. Don't even appoint them as a successor trustee. And if none of the kids are able to handle what you've directed them to do, then consider using a bank trust company. They will play it by the book. If you don't want to do that, maybe you have a friend or a sibling who will do that for you. Because there's really always another answer. And if you come and consult us, we can help you find that answer. We'll see you in the next video.